In this video, we'll be talking about surface plasmon resonance and their use in biosensors. I'm Udit and my friend Subrat is the one shooting this video. So the first question that we need to answer is, what are surface plasmons? Surface plasmons are coherent delocalized electron oscillations that exist at the interface between any two materials where the real part of the dielectric function changes sign across the interface. For example, a metal dielectric interface. Now, for a surface plasmon to exist, we have a condition that the sum of permeabilities of the two materials, that is epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2, should be less than 0. This in turn gives us a condition that the omega, that is the frequency of the incident light, should be less than a certain frequency, which we call omega sp. This omega sp can be determined by using the plasmon frequency of the metal. Now we come to the part on how do we generate a surface plasmon. So, to generate a surface plasmon, we have a fact that the kz1 and kz2 both are imaginary. So, if we simply incident the light on a metal dielectric interface, it will not have an imaginary kz1. So, how do we tackle this problem? To do so, we keep a prism. We use a evanescent waves to produce the surface plasmon, and to produce the evanescent wave, we use a prism. The light is incident on the prism. It refracts over there, and on this surface total internal reflection occurs. Now, due to total internal reflection, evanescent waves are produced, and those evanescent waves on interacting with this dielectric metal interface produces the surface plasmon. Now, further we can see when we plot the power of the transmitted power, which is the power received at the receiver end, and the power of the light that was incident on the interface, we see that there is a dip in this ratio at a certain angle. Now this theta is the angle at which surface plasmons are formed. You will see later that we can use this property to identify various properties in biosensors. So now let us see what is surface plasmon resonance. Surface plasmon resonance is the resonant oscillation of conduction electrons at the interface between a negative and a positive permittivity material stimulated by incident light. Surface plasmon resonance, or SPR, is used to monitor binding events between molecules ranging from ions to viruses. The interaction between ions and molecules can basically be used to test a sample for its different properties, and hence is used in detection of various diseases including cancer. Now, a biosensor chip consists of a glass slide coated with a thin layer of gold film which constitutes the sensor surface. Another substance, according to the solution to be tested, is coated and it acts as substrate to which the molecules can be attached. Now, one binding partner is attached to the surface of a sensor chip, as said earlier, which we call the ligand, and the another is injected by a continuous flow of solution. That another particle is called analyte. SPR causes a reduction in intensity of light reflected at a particular angle from the glass side of the sensor surface. As molecules bind to the reflective surface, the refractive index close to the glass side changes, thereby reducing or altering basically the angle of minimum reflected intensity. By studying the shape of sensogram produced, different parameters can be determined. This helps us understand the dynamics of the sample and also tells us about the presence of viruses and stuff. Thank you.